everyone. Thank you for clicking on this video. Over the next couple of decades, we need to phase out most of the excess plastic from our lives. Scientists are working on plastic alternatives, but there is still way too much in our soil and oceans. So are plastic-free products any good? Let's find out together. Today, we are talking about Blueland Dishwasher Detergent Tablets. I'll talk about its price, its packaging, where it was manufactured, any positive or negative comments from others, my thoughts about using this product, and would I repurchase it? So let's get started. Blueland Dishwasher Detergent Tablets can be found at Target for $13.99. That's for 40 tablets. So that comes to about 35 cents per tablet. Now I received this free from a friend, but you can purchase this at Target or Amazon. My usual dishwasher pods are these automatic dishwasher packs by Essential Everyday from Cub, and you can see there's a lot of plastic. There's some question as to whether these pods put plastic into the environment. Most people say no, but I'd be happy to get rid of at least this plastic bag. So this competitor price is at $5.59. Like I said, it's Essential Everyday Automatic Dishwasher Packs, 25 per pack, so that's 22 cents per pack. Blueland was 35 cents per tablet. So Blueland is a little bit more expensive. It seems that's always the case with plastic-free products. They're a little bit more expensive than these heavily plastic products. Let's look at Blueland. The packaging is excellent. Both outside is all paper, and then the tablet has no plastic around it. Even the salt that they put in the packaging to keep the tablets dry is completely paper. So I'm very impressed with the packaging. The name of the company that makes this is Blueland Company. It's located in New York City, and it was founded in 2018. Most of their products are manufactured in the US. Blueland Company specializes in eco-friendly cleaning and personal care products. What other people are saying is that they were a little underwhelmed at the cleaning power of these tablets. One person wrote, it leaves a cloudy film or residue on her dishes. Someone else says that she scrapes her dishes first before putting them in the dishwasher, so these tablets work just fine for her. My thoughts are that this was a very good dishwashing detergent. This company comes with many certifications. It's a B Corp certified, it's Cradle to Cradle certified, and EPA Safer Choice certified. I think it cleansed my dishes very well, but I do have to say, I scrape my dishes and I do rinse them off a little when I put my dirty dishes in the sink. I often wash my hands or run water for something else, and it ends up rinsing the dishes a little bit before I transfer them to the dishwasher. So maybe this tablet won't work for everyone, but they worked for me, of course, because I rinse my dishes a little bit and scrape any bits of food off that I think wouldn't come out in the wash. That being said, I definitely would repurchase these. These are my new go-to dishwasher detergents. I give it a score of 9 out of 10 because some people thought that maybe the formula could be better. I disagreed and thought this formula worked for me. My dishes came out clean. I didn't have any complaints. I hope you found this review helpful. I know you're busy, but just making micro changes in your life will all get to a better place by phasing out plastic in this world. Please subscribe to my channel and you will be helping the earth. Thank you so much.